Hello, here is Baby Walker. I hope you are doing well. It's Saturday morning, so it's time to make coffee. In today's video, I will show you the basic operation of the LatteGo Philips coffee machine. However, this series is 300 to 1000, but actually it's a basic operation for all this coffee machine line. So I will show you all the things that you have to make sure before making coffee. First, check if the coffee is in here. Here's the place where if there's not enough coffee, you need to put it somewhere here. It is quite enough for a few cups, so I won't be adding it now. So just here is the place. If you have grinded coffee, you can put it here, but if you want to be freshly grinded by the grinder which is built in, you can do. Okay, so enable, power off, and this blinking dots means that the coffee machine is starting up, it's warming up. It was pretty fast in my condition because I was disabling it at the moment. Indicator that shows you need to refill the water tank. So to refill the water tank, if you have this problem, you just grab it here. This is how it looks like. If you want to know how to install fresh filter, aqua filter, just please refer to other videos. So we are refilling water. The LEDs are dancing again, and now we are good to go. The other things that you maybe face is that this indicator, which shows that there is trash that need to be removed. So how to do this? You're sliding it this one, and here is our trash. I will show you from this perspective. So basically it's not full now, but if it will be full, you get all this tray, and there is some water also that you need to throw away, because if the device is starting, the water starts flowing. I'm sometimes putting this is not a coffee, it's only a container, because I don't want to remove this water all the time. Okay, so we are good to go. Nothing is red in here. You take an empty cup, put in here, and select the coffee that you want to make. There is a lot of programs. There's programs with milk. Milk goes here, so the steam goes out and the milk goes directly into your cup. But first we make standard coffee, which is by pressing this. You can make one coffee or two coffee at once, but in my condition I would make one coffee. Aroma level, so the strength, 1 or 2 or 3. In my condition, my favorite is 2, and the capacity, how many water will be in here. From this small medium cup, it will about 75%. So let's do it and check. So if this is orange, it means it's good to go. So it's paused, but it's good to go. You press. Yes, lovely. The Queen Elizabeth would said lovely, but I don't know if the Queen Elizabeth drinks coffee in the morning. Alright, so everything is good to go. This stops blinking, which means it's ready for another cup, another coffee. As you can see, it was the 2 and 2 for those two. And now we will make something with milk. It's quite old milk, so I need to replace it, but it will be a demonstration. So okay, So there is nothing in here, nothing, no warnings. We are good to go. All right. Of course, the milk should not be here for longer than a few hours maximum. To remove the container, you are grabbing it right here. And now it's look like this, so you need to, wash it and refill with new milk. So give me a second, I will do it. If you want to know how to operate, I don't want to do this now because everything will spoil out. Please refer to the video about first setup. Okay, so let's assume that you want to add some milk, because to make a big coffee with milk you need much more than you can see here. So you just, add some milk as much as you want. Half of the container will allows you to make a cappuccino or LatteGo for one person. Here is how to, mount it again. So you do such a movement, so you start from the top and going to down. Start from top and going down, maybe again. So you are approaching at this angle, start and put down. It should nicely stand. And of course, if you place a cup, you need to remember that milks go from here. So you need to, don't put this somewhere here. But just let me a second, I will bring another bigger cup for this coffee with milk. Okay, so I have selected the transparent glass. If your glass is too big and it won't goes here, this is, possible to move. So put this, and from this perspective, remember that, the milk will go here. So if you are good to go, remember that all this coffee and milk are straight to the cup. And now we are selecting Latte Macchiato. Latte Macchiato aroma level 1, number of water, and the amount of milk, of foam. So I will try second to show you how it would look like in the cup. So play. Warming up. It took a little bit longer with milk, of course, because it needs to boil the steam, prepare the steam, and put it through this milk container. Good to go. Wow. I'm using the 3.2% of fat milk. Of course, you can try with higher values. As you can see, my amount of milk, which was about here, with steam, produces so much milk in here. And now it add some coffee, and I think it should be perfectly matched. It's trying to do. And we are waiting for free Latte Macchiato with 3 layers. Look at here, this perspective. So it's pretty nice. Okay, so if you have any questions about any other programs, or how to maintain the coffee machine, just give me a comment and I will prepare a video. Remember, half of the container will produce as much as here of the milk to macchiato, whatever it's called. It's an Italian word. Okay, so thanks for watching. It was Baby Walker. On my channel you can nicely find videos about mocha pot and preparing other coffee, beverages, drinks. So I taking my coffee, my black coffee, and this macchiato goes to my wife, and we are starting to enjoy this nice day. So thanks for watching. It was Baby Walker. Please give me a like, and subscribe if you like this channel, and see you later. Stay safe and good luck.